Guys, today's video I ordered a tarantula, guys. One of box of tarantula, guys, and second box of tarantula, guys, and third box of tarantula. Let's see what's inside.
First this. Ako hawakan.
First this. This is kind of
Ako
dangerous.
hawakan.
Hey, get my gloves faster, guys. This is the most guys, my tarantula ayawan. Level 1 is this, level 2 is this, level 3 is this. Dangerous pets. There are tarantula. And be safe. And this is my pet tarantula. It's small, right?
That is
There's-
mine.
That is tarantula.
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 This is my tarantula.
Hey, get a stick.
Hey, I get the gloves.
That is the tarantula. Hey, tarantula, wake up. Kunyari ano. Guys, that tarantula is big. You see it? You see? Ooh, the tarantula. Guys, that is the tarantula. Guys. Oh, see, oopsie. Oh, that is the tarantula. Guys, oopsie, oopsie. Don't. Guys, did you see the tarantula? It's cool, right, guys?
This is my
This
gagamba.
is level 1, level 2, level 3. Get it dapat on a box.
Huh?
Guys, wait a minute. Guys,
Ako hawakan.
yan. Baba mo. Baba mo konti. Guys, starting with level 1.
Wait na.
Saglit ka. Bigyan mo ako. Guys, we need to gloves because tarantulas are poisonous. And
We need a more.
these 3 tarantulas is one of our pets.
Pets?
Level 1.
May babalik natin, kuya.
Ayan na. Guys, it's pretty cool, right?
Wait,
Hoy, bilis, videohan mo. Guys, what kind of tarantula is this? Hoy, taas mo pa. Guys, do you see the tarantula? Guys. Get a stick, guys. Guys, that tarantula is poisonous, guys. One bit and you have poison now. Guys,
How
be
many?
prepared.
How many?
I don't know, guys, because tarantula are scared and poisonous, guys.
Kuya, stop. There.
Oh no, we need a stick.
There.
Let's go, guys.
Can you see, guys? It's brown.
Lapit mo onte. Lapit na lapit. na.
Walang red. Walang red.
Yan, hawak mo ng dalawang kamay. Guys,
Wala.
this tarantula
Bakit
is
red?
big.
Yun.
Guys, how I gonna... Guys, no, my tarantula. Guys, whoa, guys, is super fast and pretty good.
It's a lalaki or babae?
I don't know because it's a tarantula. Tarantula teeny. Either bites, either don't want to. Either fight. He did fight. You did a fight. You did a fight. Yeah, you did a fight. You see that? Tarantulas are dangerous. Did you see? It's fast and easy bites you.
And what's the other one?
I'm gonna touch the tarantula.
Okay.
Dayo monte. No, no. The tarantula is angry for me. The tarantula is here. Guys, the biggest tarantula.
Wow.
Guys, look at that tarantula. It's big.
Oh, it's kind of big.
Wow,
Where's the
it's
another one?
creepy, guys. It's creepy, guys. It's creepy. That tarantula is creepy.
It's a balasan?
Let's touch again.
Hulo, daming lags natin. Ay, papa. Bilis.
Guys, the tarantula is here. The tarantula is here. The tarantula is here. It's fast, guys. It's fast. It is fast. It is fast. It is fast, guys. It is fast. It is fast. It is fast. Guys, help. Help, guys. I don't want a tarantula again. I don't want a tarantula again. I don't want a tarantula again. Please.
Okay.
I don't want
Okay.
a tarantula again. What? I just said a tarantula again.
There's some more.
I will see the tarantula again. What is so much tarantula again? Guys, it's pretty scary, guys. That tarantula is poisonous. Let's get him from him.
Home.
Let's get home, little guy. Oopsie peasy. Scary.
These. I'm gonna do it.
Guys, like and subscribe. What do you think we gonna name from him? Spinny or Choco?
Choco? Okay. May pangalan to him. Ano pangalan mo sa kanya?
Hindi, ala pa. Like and subscribe you. We gonna name him Spinny. Like.
Maganda yung
we gonna-
spinny niya, kuya. Maganda.
Hey,
Sabihin ng
guys, like if you wanna name him Spinny. Subscribe if you wanna name it Choco. Game, guys. I will get a cheer on one. Guys, look at that spider.
What is name again?
I don't know.
His
our
name is
fans is
Speedy.
gonna like. Wala pa. Guys, it's pretty scary, guys.
And he's super ganda. His name is Speedy.
Nope. Our fans gonna choose what are they name. How many likes, how many subscribe. His name is Spinny Id. Likes are better than subscribes. Subscribe is better than the likes. We will name him Choco. If the likes is greater than the likes win.
Parang brown ka.
Gonna name is Spin.
Let's back the cat.
Guys, dito man yun, danger pet. Second danger pet.
This is my new pet.
Hey,
Oh, I kalimutan it.
that
Next is this.
that is one of the new one.
His name is Dangerous. Yung tumakas kanina.
Dangerous one.
Yung tumakas.
Uy, ba't mo sinabi?
Ay, hindi.
Guys.
Wait, naantapan niyo yung
Why
mata
did
niyo.
this here though? Why this is have so big hole? Why?
Di ba that's it, diba?
Oh no. Big one. The big
It's
one.
okay. Scares.
Big
Oopsie.
one. The big one. Big one. The big
I don't
one.
see.
The big The big one. Uy, wala na the big one. Guys, it's pass. It's pass. It's pass. Record it. It's pass. Fast it. Fast.
Tsaka ang pangalan niya, kuya, ha?
We're gonna name him Spiny. It legs are bigger than subscribe. We're gonna name it Speaky. It he is Water Roger. Bro is super strong. Look it. Look it. Look it. Oh! You see that?
Yes.
Bro, I'm gonna not touch it. Bro, I'm gonna not touch
I-abot
it.
sabot
Tignan
now.
mo. Tignan mo. Bro, I'm gonna not touch it because bro is stronger than me. I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked.
But you eat it.
Hala? I think that spider is have so many poison. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Taas mo pa ante. Look at it. Uy, watch it. Uy, uy, uy. Uy, nakita mo ginagawa. Uy. Uy. Uy.
Why you scared?
Because that is poisonous, bro.
Why?
I don't know.
Maybe they're going lossy. Yes.
Bro. They are not made in.
It's like Yossi.
Bro. What the
It
heck?
look like a Yossi.
Ako, natapos ko na.
Now, this is my...
Guys, look at that. Ito po. Oopsie. Ay, again,
Uy, uy,
again,
uy, uy, uy.
again,
Tumalo.
again, you again. Bro. Bro, how? That spider is stronger than the stick. How? Bro, that is poisonous, bro. How?
It's like an anaconda. It look like
I'm
an anaconda.
I'm cooked, bro.
Anaconda versus...
I'm gonna not touch it. I'm gonna not touch it. Look
You better than an anaconda, right? It look like a anaconda.
Oopsie. Oopsie. Spiders is bigger. Oopsie. Oopsie.
You drop the ball. I will. You will hagat now.
Bro. No, I'm gonna pitch. Can I pitch her home?
No,